Ever feel overwhelmed by all the choices you have to make daily? From work decisions to personal life choices, it's exhausting, right? This is called decision fatigue, and one area where it hits hard is figuring out what to eat. Today, I'm going to show you how healthy meal planning can help combat decision fatigue and simplify your life. Decision fatigue happens when the mental energy needed to make decisions wears you down throughout the day. By the time you're thinking about dinner, your brain is too tired to make healthy choices, and you end up reaching for whatever is easiest, often unhealthy fast food or snacks. Meal planning removes the stress of last-minute decisions. When you already know what you're going to eat and have healthy options ready, you free up your brain to focus on more important things. It's about making decisions once and sticking to them for the week. Start by deciding how many meals you want to plan for. Choose simple, nutritious recipes that you enjoy. Make a grocery list of ingredients, prep your meals in advance, and store them in easy-to-access containers. You can even use apps or planners to help organize your week. By meal planning, not only do you reduce decision fatigue, but you also save time, money, and stick to healthier eating habits. It's a small change that makes a big difference in your energy levels, focus, and overall well-being. Healthy meal planning is the key to simplifying your life and beating decision fatigue. If you're ready to feel more in control of your meals and less overwhelmed, start meal planning today. Let me know in the comments what meals you're prepping this week. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who could use a little less stress in their life, and subscribe for more wellness tips like this.